I'm getting so bored. We played everything.
Maybe we can do something creative.
Yeah, like making dolls dress.
No, that's indoor games. We can do something outside.
Like playing with a ball.
No.
I know.
Maybe badminton?
No, I'm not very interested in that.
Let's go. I like to play.
Let's play tennis.
No, badminton and tennis are almost the same, sister.
Yes, tennis.
We can play basketball.
No, I'm not good at it.
Or we can do some cooking.
That's perfect.
What we can make?
How about let's make some
We will get ready with the stuff.
Okay. Sister, what are you going to make for me?
Today we are going to make choco balls.
Choco balls? Wow.
Yeah.
Can you teach me how to do it?
Sure. I'll show you what are the ingredients. It's very easy, sister. We just need 2 ingredients.
What are the ingredients?
Chocolate syrup and biscuits.
With these 2 ingredients, you are going to do the choco balls? Wow.
Yes. Let's see the steps.
Okay.
First, we will add the biscuits in the mixie jar.
Sister, you could manage the mixie also. Wow.
Yes, sister. Now we will put the biscuits in the mixing jar. Now we will add the chocolate syrup into the biscuit powder. Let's start. Okay. Okay. Now help of this spatula, start mixing it. If it is needed, you can add more. See? Sister, can you help me with the pouring the chocolate syrup?
Okay. Is it enough, sister?
Okay, for now it's enough. If we need, I will ask more. Thank you.
It's chocolate.
We prepared the dough for the choco balls. Now we have to make small balls.
Sister, can I help you?
Sure. Let's make. Little. Okay.
Okay. So
See?
see mine's too.
Let's keep it in this tray. Okay.
Is this enough, sister?
I think it's okay. I'll tell you if it's too big or too small. Okay? These all are the balls we made. The smaller ones for our brother and the bigger ones for us and our parents.
Wow, that's really amazing. Sister, is it done?
No, we have to decorate it with our sprinkles. See?
Wow.
What sprinkles should we add first?
Let's add these ones.
You like those, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Add a little bit.
Yeah, we'll add little for everything. This. Now I'll add this. Ooh, see these.
Ooh, that's
also not coming out.
I have
Look.
Okay.
Okay, it's enough. And let's add the we added it. We need to add the smallest.
I like this.
Oh, no! It's too much. Let's mix it a little bit. Now we added the sprinkles into the bowl. Let's decorate the balls.
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one. And dip it in like this. Ooh, I got too much, I think.
Ooh, I got too much.
But there's no too much sprinkles.
I'm good taking.
Yep. I think our brother's also helping us.
These looks amazing.
Yeah, brother, that's enough sprinkle. Keep it
Or
here.
she'll get a tummy ache. Oh, you might take on the
Too much.
Okay.
Put this everywhere.
Wow!
Wow!
This looks so
Beautiful and good. Let's taste one. Oh, our brother's already tasted.
Yummy!
Really, it's so good. Sister, did you like my recipe?
Yes, wow, it was amazing.
Thank you. Everybody try this recipe at home and send me a feedback.
Oh.
If you like this recipe, subscribe to our channel, Grandma Indra's Recipes.
Start.
If you like this recipe and our videos, please subscribe, like and comment below. Thank you for watching. We will see you at the next recipes. Bye.